As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
All right, so we're looking at two propane grills today, the Char-Broil Classic 2-burner and the Weber Summit S-470. Big difference in price right off the bat, huh?
Huge difference. The Char-Broil is around $139, while the Weber is like $2,300. What are we getting for that extra cash?
Well, size is one thing. The Char-Broil has 280 square inches of cooking space, good for a small family. The Weber, 580 square inches. Plus, it has a warming rack, definitely for bigger gatherings.
Okay, so more space. What about the burners? The Char-Broil has two main burners putting out 20,000 BTUs plus an 8,000 BTU side burner.
Weber blows that away. 4 main burners cranking out 48,800 BTUs. And get this, it has a side burner, a sear station burner, a smoker burner, and a rear-mounted infrared rotisserie burner. It's a grilling Swiss Army knife.
Wow, that's serious firepower. So the Weber is way more versatile. What about build quality? I've heard Weber is generally better in that department.
Yeah, the Char-Broil has porcelain-coated wire grates. They're okay, easy to clean, and cheap to replace. The Weber has heavy-duty stainless steel grates and flavorizer bars. Much more durable, retain heat better. The Char-Broil is stainless steel, but the Weber is all stainless steel.
Makes sense given the price difference. What about features?
The Char-Broil has a grease tray, side shelf, and is GearTrax compatible. Simple and functional. The Weber? Lighted control knobs, a built-in thermometer, even a fuel gauge, and a tuck-away rotisserie system. It's loaded.
So if you're on a budget and just need a basic grill for smaller meals, the Char-Broil does the job.
Exactly. But if you're a serious griller and you're looking for a top-of-the-line experience with all the bells and whistles, the Weber Summit S-470 is, the way to go, if you can afford it. It's an investment.
Sounds like it. I mean, for that price, it should cook the food itself.
Almost does. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.